Hello everybody and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this framework or this engine called MJML engine. It stands for Mailjet Markup Language, and it helps to reduce pain of coding a responsive email. And it's a markup language that helps the responsive email with nested tables and inline CSS, and it makes it very easy, faster, and very enjoyable to create emails. So let's get to it. And just a moment. Like and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And please leave a comment. I'd like to hear from you guys. If you're just checking it out, just looking at it, 10 seconds, it's cool. And just say what's up and shoot me some positive feedback. So here we go. First, I created a file called MJML, index.mjml. And usually you can have an extension to read MJML. Do an extension and just type in MJML and you can install it. I already have it installed already globally with the npm install. So if you want that and you don't know how to install with the npm, just go with the extension. It'll help. All right, I already did the file. So let's make the first line will be MJML, then MJ body. Let's copy that. Close it up. And in this body is going to be a MJ section. Copy that. It's not going to be nothing in here. It's going to be blank, and it's just going to be this regular div, just a regular bar on top of the actual logo. Let's do background color gold, and let's do a padding of 6 pixels by 0. All right. With MJML, you don't normally just press Control Save, and live server will be refreshed. With the MJML, you're supposed to Control Shift P on PC, and you see right here MJML export HTML. Each time you want to save anything you want to save when you're creating an email, this is what you're supposed to do each time. So let's do that. Press enter, and it will create another file called index.html. You see there? All right, let's check out the live server. See what we got. We got that gold bar right there. All right, let's do, actually, make it smaller. You guys can see it. That's better. Let's make another MJ section. Whoops. Copy this. And in this section, we're going to put the actual logo. So in the section, the next thing will be the column. in this section column MJ image. It'll be a little different. I'm gonna put the width 100 pixels. The source, which is the image folder I created right here. I have already put some images in here. So image slash, let's see, I think it's logo PNG. We're just creating a basic email for a bakery. All right. And we have that. What's going on? Why is it? Oh. I don't know why this. There we go. That was weird. All right, for the column, let's do a width of 300 pixels, padding 8 pixels by 0. Then on a section, I want a padding of 0. The background color, let's make it black just in case if the image doesn't show up. There we go. Basic logo there. And we can move on to another image. It's a basic repetition after this. It's nothing really special. I want to show you how it looks in the index HTML file. So it gets compiled in here. So this code gets compiled into this file, which is amazing. If you're doing emails, look at this, ghost tables and everything. Yep. It's very easy and cleaner actually too. All right, let's get rid of this. That's the Steve, the padding. On an image, I want padding 0. I'm gonna put, I think it's pick or image 1. Sorry about that. I put the wrong image. It's supposed to be the bread one. Bread image, opt, APG. Then that's it. There we go. Then after this, I want some content here. All right, let's just copy this. Normally I close these just to make it, just to organize it a little. But since I'm showing you guys, I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna leave that open. And in this section, I want the background color. Let's focus on the background. Let's do a soft gray. Oh, Whoops. A soft gray. Let's do a padding of 30 pixels by 20 pixels. So 30 pixels top and bottom, and left and right. 20 pixels left and right. The column, and in this column, I want some text. So let's do some text in here. I'm gonna align it, center. Let's do the font size 28 pixels. Let's try that out. Then a padding of settle 0. I think it's good. And in this will be delicious delights. Oh yeah. Close it up. See what we got. All right, we got that. In this same section, I'm just going to copy the column part. There we go. And in this column part, I want the column width to be 400 pixels. Align center, font size 16. And yeah, get rid of the padding. And in this, all right, and let's save that. We could go a little, try 18 pixels, font size. Let's try 50. What if we try it to the left? All right, just leave it like that. All right, for the next, I want to have a button. Call to action. Let's do MJ button. I want a background color of black. Actually, this is going to be linking to the actual website. I had made a project for this project website, and I'm going to link it to it. I use Netlify for this, which is pretty cool. I like Netlify. Close it up for now. Let's see how that looks. There you go. We got a button. Order now. And I forgot to actually make the logo have a link as well. So I can just copy this. There you go. Let's try don't think I. Yeah, let's click it to see actual website. This is not just the regular website that I made for this email. So you can see, pretty cool. It's normal, pretty basic. All right, let's go back. All right, for the next section, so this is the one section here. It's going to be another image. So let's get our image section. Put it down here. So in this section, I want a background color. Let's do all white. And I don't know why I took off the padding. 70 pixels by 20 pixels. And I want the column is good. Let's do a width 300 pixels, padding 0, and this will be, it should be image 1. I think it's PNG. No, actually JPG. And let's take this off. So you have that guy doing the powder sugar, which is really good. Okay, then I'm gonna stick another column in this section. I'm gonna put some content in there, some text. It's gonna be column padding 20 pixels by 0. I'm gonna take this off and add what am I doing? Text. Let's do a line. Center. Font size 20 pixels. Okay, and let's put freshly baked goods. There we go, side by side. When you do two columns, or how many columns you want in the section, you see right here, there's one section here, and that's the image, this one right here, and another column in the same section, which is the content, which I want to put another text. So let's copy this, and I want this aligned left and size 16 to see how that is. And then this, I'm gonna put there you go. See how that looks. All right, it's coming along slowly but surely. Maybe Does it look good like that? Let's see if this one really better. I think like that looks better. All right, let's do this next section. What's another text or text that seems like a small text? Same left. Let's just get rid of this. Let's see how that looks. A little more content is better. All right. You get the image, you get the good stuff. The next section, I'm gonna put it's just a banner. It's a regular banner with some text in it. Let's do a small. Let's get this. And let's put a section. Which is very repetitive, but it's so much easier and less painful from doing or developing an email from scratch for sure. And we can paste it in here. So with this, I'm gonna have a background. Let's do the background on this section here of gold to match the. There you go. See. Oh, oh. Gold text will be stay connected at BC Bakery. All right, we have that. On this next section, let's do another. Okay, let's do another section here. I think it's kind of like this one. Kind of like this one, but let's see here. Background white, padding. Let's do a padding on here of 20 pixels by 0. Instead of having the text down here, and we're going to get rid of one. And we're going to move this one. Actually, these two. In here, move this down here. I don't know why this was not here. All right. Let's beautify this. Let's save it. Okay. Whoops. So you see, like we just let's put it to the other side. But I'm gonna switch to number 2, image number 2. There you go. And just switch the text to exciting news events. Let me get rid of this and all right. Let's get on to the next section. So I have that. Let's go down. So you see, it's getting there. This one is missing a section here. I don't know how that happened, but it's there you go. So this section is this section. Now let's try to clean it up, like the way I was telling you. It could be organized. So we got the bar. Let's close it all up. All right, you see how organized it is. So I'm gonna have another section. A column. And in this column, I'm gonna have a text. So let's do this real quick. So the section is gonna be background. It's gonna be that light gray. Padding 8 pixels by 20 pixels by 70 by 20. Okay. For the column, it's going to be width of 400 pixels. The text, let's bring this up like that. The text is going to be line center font size 16 pixels. And in this, we're going to put so we have that there. And I'm gonna put another button. Button. This button is going to be visit. Whoops. Visit BC Bakery. Let's dial it up. The background color. Let's do keep it black. There we go. And let's add that href here, the link. Copy. And let's paste it there. All right, so you can link it. There you go, just to make sure it works. And for the next section, what do I want? Let's work on the social icons. Yeah, let's work on our social icons. Let's just grab this here. Get rid of that too. Get rid of all this. All right, in this column, sorry. In this section, I want to have a background color of a dark gray. See if anything shows up. There we go, that gray. Let's do a padding of 8 pixels by 0. Column width. %. Let's do the image here. Let's do 40 pixels for the. And we're gonna actually. Yeah, they're gonna be all the same link. Let's just copy it. Let's just copy this whole thing right here. Got that. Let's actually put the icon there. The source will be image. And we're gonna put the Instagram. Let's do that. Image Instagram. Icon email PNG. Yeah, that is, there it is. It popped up. So like I said before, you can just put the same columns if you want to side by side. So you just do multiple columns inside that section like this. So I'm gonna have 3. One is gonna be Instagram. The other one's gonna be LinkedIn. An email. See how that is. Here we go. Then the last one will be Twitter, which is X now, but let's just put Twitter for now. There we go. So we got that section. So like I was looking. All right. And this, the next section will be the last section, and it will be the footer. Let's do this section here. You can see how easy this is. You just follow the documentation, and if you want to add something, you just look it up, and it's pretty easy. Once you get it going, and you'll be creating emails very fast. You'll pick it up very fast. All right, before we start the content inside this footer, this is the background. Whoops. Background color is black. Let the padding be up and bottom 80 pixels, left and right 20 pixels. The column width would be 100%. Let's do first with an image. Let's put the MJ image here. Whoops. I suck at typing today. The image width would be 70 pixels. And let's copy this again. Actually, yeah, this right here. Paste it there. And let's do the source image. I'm gonna use the logo again, PNG. Let's see how that looks. There you go, it's right here. You see the footer in black? It was very basic for a bakery. After the image, sorry. After the image column, we're gonna do another column. So let's do that. Sorry. Let's make the column width 300. I'm gonna add some text in here. I'm gonna line this center. Let's do the color of the text. Whoops. Let's make it white. Let's do the font size 24 pixels. And in this text, close it up real quick. Hold on, I think there's something wrong here. The value. Oh, I put a dollar sign. It's supposed to be, there you go, number sign. Let's put BC Bakery. Stay with me, guys. This is the final section here. Let's do another text. This is going to have let's add a padding here of 6 pixels up and down, top and bottom meaning 0. Align center, color white. And let's change the font size. Let's take out the font size. Let's put you are a registered member of BC Bakery. There you go. See, the next tab is probably going to speed up. It's the same thing, same text. I'm just going to copy. All right. One last thing. I'm just going to copy from the top. I believe this one right here. The gold trimming. There you go. Let's actually margin. What if you maybe I can't do that? Well, here it is. So all this, let's check the index HTML. Let's see all the compiled code. Look at this. That's crazy to think that this is this right here. Let me open this back up. So there you go. All this. Oh, this is this. Crazy. Let's check out the email. Let's look at email. Let's go back. What else? Like a background color for this. Let's try a light gray. Maybe distinguish, or maybe a darker gray. Do or you could do I wouldn't say gold, but do Dodger blue. And you can do whatever you want on this to make it pop out. I wonder if we put gold, how that would turn out. Let's try purple. Whoa. Orange. Aqua. Yeah, there you go. Any links to the website. And this one does too. Okay. All right. I think that's about it. There's a basic email template, which is a basic email. Let's see one thing here. There you go. See, responsive. All right. That's it. Thanks for hanging around. This is kind of a long video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something about this cool MJML engine, as MJML framework. You know, it's much easier, as you can see, to do all this from scratch, doing the HTML tables. If you want to learn how they do HTML tables from scratch, I have another video. I'll probably link it in this video. But you know what to do. Like and subscribe. Follow me on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on X, all that good stuff. I think I have a Facebook. Yeah, come check me out. And thank you for subscribing. And thank you. Comment. I want to see your comments. And I'm still trying to reach that 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Let's do it. All right. Cutting out.